What's up guys, Emmanuel checking in here. I went ahead and I picked up this Hondata Flash Pro, and it is the race version. I picked this up on Civic.com, and if you guys seen my last video, and if you haven't, go ahead and go back and check it out. I installed a catless downpipe on my car, and the check engine light finally came on, and I decided to pick up this tuner. The car is probably running a little bit rich right now since I don't have any cat on it, and the reason I went with Hondata is because I've heard a lot of good things about them, and I guess there's a ton of different maps and tunes available to download. The only downside, I guess, is that it doesn't have a screen like the K-Tuner, but it's something I don't mind. I guess they have an app you can download and it's Bluetooth enabled. Open this bad boy up so you guys can see. So you got your Hondata here. Go ahead, open this. And then yeah guys, so this right here connects to your OBD2, and you're able to flash your ECU, I guess, and install different maps on there. This here cable to attach this to your computer. There, some stickers, Hondata stickers. It says here installation, so it gives you a list of instructions, and it looks like I'm gonna have to go to the website and install software for the Hondata.